Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. In our previous lesson, we learned how to measure distance and find the midpoint between 2 points. But now, let's ask a new question. How steep is a line? And how fast is something rising or falling? This idea is called the slope. And today, we will understand slope both visually and mathematically. Slope tells us how steep a line is. Slope measures how much a line rises or falls. If line goes up, it is a positive slope. If the line goes down, it is a negative slope. Slope is calculated as rise divided by run. We call it as rise over run. Rise is a vertical change. A run is horizontal change. We move along x and then see how much y changes. For 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 all divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is change in y divided by change in x. Let's see one example. Find the slope of 2 points 2, 3 and 6, 7. See the solution. Here we apply slope formula. M is equal to 7 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 4. That is 1. So the slope is 1. Let's see the types of slope. Positive slope means rising line. Negative slope means falling line. Zero slope means horizontal line. Undefined slope means vertical line. Let's see the real meaning of slope. Slope represents speed or rate of change or growth or decline. Slope tells us how fast something is changing. Today we have learned what is slope and how to calculate slope and different types of slope and the real meaning of slope. The slope is a key idea in mathematics. Try to do these assignment problems by your own. When you understand slope, you understand change, and understanding change is the foundation of calculus. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.